Hello friends, welcome to another new video. In today's video, we will talk about which sewing machine is the best. If you are planning to buy a good sewing machine for your home, then this video is perfect for you. Whether you are a beginner or you want to do more advanced sewing, in this video I will tell you which sewing machine you should buy, which one is the best, what features you will get, and which machine will fit your budget. Now let's talk about the things you should keep in mind before buying a sewing machine. The first thing is, what do you want to use the machine for? Do you need it for basic sewing, quilting or embroidery? The second thing is the type of machine. Is it a mechanical machine or a computerized machine? The third thing is the number of stitch patterns. Different machines offer anywhere from 6 to 100 stitch options. The next thing is the extra features. Does it have speed control, a needle threader and a free arm? The fifth thing is the brand and service. You should choose a machine from a brand that has good service and is easily available in your area. Now let's move to the first and one of the best sewing machines. The first machine is the Singer Promise 1408. Now I will tell you about its features. The first feature is the built-in stitches. It comes with 8 built-in stitch patterns. The second feature is the sewing speed. It offers a sewing speed of 800 stitches per minute. The third feature is buttonholing. It provides a 4-step buttonhole function. The total number of stitch functions is 24. Next is accessory storage. It comes with a built-in storage compartment for keeping accessories. The machine has a heavy metal interior frame, making it strong and durable for long-term use. Now let's talk about the extra features that make sewing easier. The first one is the easy stitch selection dial. All the stitch patterns are displayed on the stitch selector dial. You simply turn the dial to choose the stitch you want. The second feature is reverse sewing. It also has a reverse sewing option. You can use reverse stitching at the beginning and end of a seam to make it stronger. The last feature is thread tension adjustment. You can adjust the thread tension according to your sewing needs. Now let's talk about the price. The price of the Singer Promise 1408 is between 9,699 rupees and 10,699 rupees. Now let's move to the second best sewing machine. It is the USHA Dream Stitch, an automatic zigzag sewing machine. Now let's look at its features. First, it is a compact and lightweight machine. You can place it anywhere and use it comfortably even in a small space. The second feature is adjustable thread tension. You can increase or decrease the thread tension according to your needs. The third feature is the stitch pattern selector dial. It comes with 7 built-in stitch patterns and 14 stitch functions. It also provides a 4-step buttonhole function. Now let's talk about its applications. It supports 7 applications including lace fixing, quilting, smocking and rolled hemming. Now let's talk about the extra features that make sewing even easier. Its sewing speed is 550 stitches per minute. It comes with a built-in needle threader and a built-in sewing light. It also features an auto-tripping bobbin system. Now let's talk about the accessories. The machine comes with free accessories that are stored inside the machine's accessory compartment. Now let's talk about the warranty. It comes with a 2-year warranty. The price of the USHA Dream Stitch is 10,999 rupees. Now let's move to the third sewing machine. It is the USHA Stitch Magic, an advanced sewing machine. Now let's talk about its features. It comes with 57 stitch functions. You can perform a wide variety of sewing tasks with it. The second feature is fabric compatibility. Whether the fabric is thick, thin, light or heavy, this machine can sew it smoothly. You can sew different types of fabric without any difficulty. The machine also comes with a carrying handle, making it easy to carry anywhere. Now let's talk about its applications and controls. It supports 9 different applications, including rolled hemming, smocking, zip fixing, and button fixing. It comes with 2 control dials. One dial is used to select the stitch pattern and the other is used to adjust the stitch length. Its sewing speed is 860 stitches per minute. You can also adjust the thread tension according to your needs. You can make it tighter or looser whenever required. It also includes triple stitch and decorative dial stitch patterns. Now let's talk about the warranty. It comes with a 2-year warranty. Now let's talk about its price. The price is 21,299 rupees. Now let's move to the fourth best sewing machine. It is the USHA Allure, a reliable partner for smart sewing. Now let's look at its features. It comes with 13 stitch patterns. It also provides a buttonhole function. It offers a total of 21 sewing applications including button fixing, rolled hemming, smocking, zip fixing and more. Its sewing speed is 550 stitches per minute. Now let's talk about its design and operation. It comes with a 4-step buttonhole function. It also has dual dial controls. One dial is used for selecting the stitch pattern and the other is used for adjusting the stitch length. Now let's talk about its user-friendly features. It is very lightweight and portable. It also comes with a carrying handle so you can take it anywhere easily. It includes a built-in sewing light near the needle bar. It also comes with a built-in thread cutter. Now let's talk about its price. The price is 14,999 rupees. Now let's talk about the last and fifth best sewing machine. It is the USHA Dreammaker 120 computerized sewing machine. Now let's look at its features. It comes with 120 built-in stitch patterns. It also offers 7 buttonhole styles. It includes decorative stitches and monogramming stitch designs. You can also customize and save up to 50 stitch patterns. The next feature is the LCD screen. You can select your stitch designs directly from the LCD screen. This makes your work much easier, simpler and saves time. It also comes with a start and stop button and a speed slider. You can even sew without using the foot pedal. Now let's talk about the automatic thread cutter and needle threader. The machine automatically cuts the thread. It also automatically threads the needle. This saves your time and makes sewing much easier. Now let's talk about its price. The price of this machine is 40,000 rupees. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.